How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, simply open contacts app in your Android phone. So I will simply click on contacts. Now here you guys will see on down contacts, highlight, organize. So simply click on organize. Now here you guys will see merge and fix, reminders, family group, restore contacts. When you scroll till the end, you guys will see export to file. So simply click on export to file. Now you guys will simply select the email that have contacts saved. For example, I will simply the first email. After that, I will simply click on export. I can select all email at once, but I will simply select one to show you how you guys can do that. Once I click on export, it will say contacts.vcf. So I will simply save that file. Once I save that, I will simply send that file to my iPhone device using WhatsApp. You guys can use Telegram or any other social media app. And once you send that contact CVC file in iPhone, you guys simply open that file, and after that, you guys will simply share that file to contacts app. Once you share that file to contacts app, after that, you guys will see your all contacts in your iPhone. And you guys will see on top right corner save option. So simply click on save option. So once you click on save option, that's it. Your all contacts will be moved from Android to iPhone. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.